Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to my channel. Students, in this video I am going to discuss about the lymphatic drainage of the stomach. Students, I will tell you the lymph nodes that drain all areas of the stomach and ultimately drain the lymph to the colic nodes. Colic nodes are present around the root of the celiac artery on the posterior abdominal wall. All the lymph from the stomach eventually passes to the colic nodes, and the lymph from all areas of the stomach ultimately reaches to the colic node. From here it passes through the intestinal lymph trunk to reach the cisterna chyli. I will tell you the lymph nodes that drain all areas of the stomach to reach the lymph to the colic node. For the descriptive purpose, we divide the stomach into four areas. For lymphatic areas, the drainage of these areas is as follows. These areas are the area A, area B, area C and area D. Area A is the upper part of the left 1/3, which drain into the pancreatico-splenic node that lying along the splenic artery that is on the back of the stomach. Lymph vessels from these nodes travel along the splenic artery to reach the colic node. Here you can see. Number 2 is the area B. Area B is the right 2/3 of the stomach that drain into the left gastric nodes that lying along the artery of the left gastric artery. These nodes also drain the abdominal part of the esophagus. Lymph from these nodes drain into the colic node. Number 3 is the area C. Area C is present at the lower part of the left 1/3, which drain into the right gastroepiploic node that lie along the artery of the right gastroepiploic artery. Lymph vessels arising in these nodes drain into the subpyloric nodes, which lie in the angle between the first and the second part of the duodenum. From here, the lymph is drained further into the hepatic nodes that lie along the hepatic artery and finally into the colic node. Lymph from the area D, here you can see, the pyloric part drain into the different directions into the pyloric, hepatic, left gastric node and passes from all these nodes to the colic nodes. All the lymphs eventually passes to the colic nodes, and from here it passes through the intestinal lymph trunk to reach the cisterna chyli. So this is the lymphatic drainage of the stomach. How this lymph is drained in the stomach. Thank you very much.